Section 3.1, example 2, using integration by parts. Evaluate the function. So again, we want something that when we integrate or when we differentiate, it gets rid of our function, and when we integrate, it's kind of the same. So here we're going to have to choose things a little bit differently just because we're looking at ln of x. It's really difficult to integrate ln of x. It's really easy to differentiate. So instead of letting u be the other part, we're going to do let u equal ln of x. So that way when we differentiate it, it's easier to differentiate that than to integrate x to the negative 1/3. And that's exactly what I'm going to state it as. So dv is going to be x to the negative 3 dx. And now we're going to differentiate here and we're going to integrate over here. So let's differentiate this. Du is equal to 1 over x dx. And then integrating both sides here, we end up with v is equal to negative 3 plus 1 is going to be negative 2. So that's going to be x to the negative 2 multiplying by a negative 1 over 2. And there we go. So again, our formula is the integral of u dv is equal to u times v minus the integral of v du. So u and v. So we have the integral of ln of x over x cubed is equal to u times v. So u is ln of x times v is negative 1 over 2 x to the negative 2 minus the integral of v du. So minus the integral of v is a negative 1 over 2 x to the negative 2. V and du is 1 over x dx. And now let's clean it up a little bit. We have negative 1 over 2 ln of x over x squared. Feel free to write that however you want. Integral of, here we have, let's pull the 1/2 out. Integral of x to the negative 3 dx. And we could integrate that really easily. So negative 1 over 2. We could say, another way that we could write this, ln of x, 1 over x squared, plus 1 over 2. And we integrate x to the negative 2 times negative 1 over 2 plus c. And cleaning it up one more time, negative 1 over 2 ln of x to the negative 2 minus 1 over 4 x to the negative 2 and plus c. And there we go. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.